Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana. So in today's video we have the question 6 raised to power x minus 5 raised to power x is equal to 11, which is another Math Olympiad question. So whenever you get this type of question, so when you have power in x, you always feel that do we need to take log or we need to do something else to solve this complicated question. But I always tell you in my videos that always try to figure out the relation between numbers, right? Why do we have 6 here, 5 here, and then 11 here? There must be some relation between them, and we can easily see that 6 plus 5 is what? 11, right? And we know 6 minus 5 is what? 1, right? So whenever you get this, is very simple, and we know the identity that a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, right? So when I have here this thing 6 raised to power x minus 5 raised to power x, okay, if you leave it, I just write 6 plus 5 here, okay, and for making it identity I write 6 minus 5 here, right? And what do I do now? It will become 6 square minus 5 square, right? And then it would become 11. Now if you compare these two, right, because now we have minus minus, for the at the place of x we have 2, okay, here and here as well. So if we compare them, what do we get? X is equal to 2, right? And this is our answer, right? Anyways, as well, like you can verify that 36 minus 25 is what? 11, right? So I hope you understood this. It was very easy. You just need to practice these types of questions to figure out these in competitive exams, right? If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot. And if you like to solve math riddles, then do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.